So this is day 3 of our cruise. It's early in the morning. We're sailing toward Icy Strait Point. We had been at Hubbard Glacier the day before, and there's still a remnant of the overcast skies that dogged us when we were visiting Hubbard Glacier. It's not raining. I strapped my action camera to the rail, and so I'm just kind of recording this video as we're sailing in toward Icy Strait Point in the village of Hoonah. I'm walking along the nature trail, and this nature trail actually it's a loop that walks from the adventure center back to basically the area where you get off the tender, or where the shuttle would drop you off there at the main area in Icy Strait Point. And it's kind of interesting. This is a really nice walk. It's not a particularly difficult walk. In fact, even though my wife wasn't with me, it would have worked very well with a wheelchair. You'd have been able to push it. There's gravel on the road, but it's nice hard surface. I think it would be accessible with a wheelchair. It would definitely be accessible with a scooter. And enjoyed the walk through here. They've maybe thinned the forest out a little bit. And what you see, you've seen some people with harnesses on, and you see these platforms in the tree like straight ahead there. What they have done is there are several different kinds of ropes courses and let's say mini zip lines that weave their way back and forth through this area. And there's quite a few people using it. There's an excursion that lets you go in and do this. You would just book it like you would the rest of the excursions. We spent a little bit of time. My granddaughter was with me. We were walking around looking at these things. We spent some time here, and in just a minute we're going to go down. You'll see the area around the cannery, because our goal for today was to go halibut fishing, and that'll be another video. And we actually did get to go halibut fishing. As it said, we went halibut fishing, not halibut catching. We really enjoyed our stay in the port. There's an old cannery area. Like I said, you'll get a glimpse of it here toward the end of this video. But I would say this about Icy Strait Point: it's not going to keep you busy if you stay right in the port area. There's the area when you get off. There's a restaurant. There's like a information center where you can buy tickets to the various activities. And then once you're outside once you've done that, then you're left with, you can go down to the cannery, and there's quite a few things to see in the cannery. There's a little bit of a museum feel to it. There's a lot of things, because this port actually dates back to when it was a salmon cannery. There used to be a salmon cannery there. That's gone out of business, so now you can go back in. You can go to the salmon cannery. You can wind up doing some shopping in there. There is what Murray Lundberg, who is a retired Alaskan tour guide, says the best place in Alaska to eat crab. Now, I was going to get some crab there. We had kind of a short window to be able to get ready for the fishing trip, so we didn't actually make it to the crab restaurant. We went by it, but the line was way out the door and past part of the cannery there. The cannery was just over there on the left. This is from the area by the cannery, and you can see the dock from the cannery right there, and then back farther to the left, and I apologize I didn't get it on video, but back to the left is where the cannery is. There's our ship, the Jewel. She's docked, and so we're tendering back and forth. There's this, I wouldn't call it a beach, because it's very much rock and gravel, but there's this area that you can get down to by the water. And as we're coming around again now, you can see the cannery area. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like button, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, or you can just poke me in the nose down below. It'll get you subscribed to the channel, and that way you'll know when we create new videos. We'll see you next time.